Disassembly. Before disassembling the drive shaft, measure the original position of the dynamic damper for reference. Replace the boot of the inboard joint using rollers inside. Remove the boot bands. For a low-profile type band, pinch the band with special pliers and unhook the end of the band from the tab. After removing the bands, move the boot slightly inward. Before disassembling the joint, make marks to identify each combination of the rollers and the joint grooves. When removing the joint, be careful that the rollers don't fall off the spider. Making sure that the combination of the rollers and spider can be identified and remove the rollers. Make a mark on the spider and the shaft to identify the positional relation. Remove the circlip. Remove the spider from the drive shaft. Wrap the splines of the drive shaft with tape. Remove the boot. Replace the outboard joint boot. For the outboard joint, make a mark to identify the position of the joint on the drive shaft before disassembly. Clamp the drive shaft in a vise. Install the sliding hammer to the drive shaft using an adapter, the special tool. Remove the joint with the sliding hammer. Remove the stop ring from the drive shaft. Wrap the splines of the drive shaft with tape. Remove the boot.